7245 Wandering Star. We need a landscape cleanup, probably touch up the wood framing and eaves. So I'm standing in the driveway right now. It's a 2-car driveway, 2-car garage. We're at the end of what isn't technically a shared driveway, but it somewhat essentially is. We have a lot of windows that need blinds. I'll go ahead and start counting. So this has some sort of taped on decal that may be sufficient for window coverings. It's on both sides of the door. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 windows plus this, which is okay, it doesn't need blinds. It'll just bring in some light and some vertical. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 windows. The walls are blue. They look to be in fine condition, what I've seen so far. You have little areas like this where there's just a bad touch-up, but see what McKenna has to say about that. The baseboards are looking a little rough. The laminate is not the best quality. In here we have this cracking. So we're at 105. They already have some sort of treatment for that top window. As you can see, there is some touch-up required. Looks like they just took this door off, you know, for accessibility. Another handle here. I'm not sure what happened with this flooring. Looks like we might be missing a laminate strip underneath that white thing, which is functioning as a baseboard. So we're at 5 window treatments. I see a door's been removed for the pantry. The cabinets are a little rough. I'm pretty sure Jenny would say to replace at least the stove. We have 2 microwaves here. Cabinets are not the worst, actually. It's definitely a Jenny call. Lots of scratches on the laminate. It'll probably need an upgrade. The sink seems okay. Okay. So, we're missing flooring here. Carpet can be replaced at $1 a square foot. The ceilings are very high. We have a fan in here, which works as a light and a fan. Remove that wallpaper border. Throw up some closet doors. Oh wait, here, we have some closet doors. Vinyl here. Install some tile at about $5 a square foot. Such a small area, it's not a big deal at all. Okay, it's really dark in here. Didn't see light. The ceilings do feel exceptionally high. So another window, so that would be window 7, I believe. Of course, the repaint and redoing the carpets. Replace the toilet seat. Replace this flooring. So we'll see if Jenny suggests just pulling up all the flooring and putting new flooring and doing a total repaint. Although this area looks presentable enough, might as well get the whole property in good condition. We'll see what Jenny says.